this is Africa. Samina, mina, waka, waka, Samina, mina, sakadewa. This time for Africa.